How's the market this week? November 12th, 2020. Well, behind me, you see the view of downtown Manhattan. This is actually from Hoboken, but the view could also be very similar from Jersey City. Like the view, the market is very similar. In Hoboken, for instance, there's 353 available condos on the market. In the last 7 days, that was 32 available, and in the last 30 days, there was 112. That means that there's about 240 homes that are sitting there more than 30 days on the market. Average days on market for something under contract is about 40 days. So you're seeing that, hey, there's 40 days on average for something that goes on under contract, yet 2/3 of the market are at least 30 days. So there's a little bit of a disconnect where people are starting to sit longer and longer. The number of under contract in the last 30 days was 72. That puts the Hoboken market at almost 5 months of inventory. That is very much starting to push much more into the higher end of the neutral market as it goes from a seller's market to a buyer's market. The number of solds over the last 30 days was 87, which really reflects the market from about 45 to 60 days ago. So very strong market back in the September market, beginning of October market. And the discount price on those that were sold, it was a 2% discount. Contrast that with Jersey City, where there are currently 320 condos on the market, not including a lot of that new construction. And if you look at the number in the last 7 days, there was 30 that came in Jersey City as well. And available over the last 30 days was 84. So there's really, again, there's about 160 condos, 260 condos, I'm sorry, in the Jersey City market, about 240 condos in the Jersey City market that are sitting there way more than 30 days. That is, basically, if you did the quick math on that, 3/4 of the market that is there more than 30 days right now. So that's starting to tick up when the average days on market for those that sold was 47. You're going to start to see that number go high, either go higher, or the stuff that's going to sit is going to sit a long, long time. Under contract in the last 30 days was 51. So that's over 6 months worth of inventory in the Jersey City market. Definitely a buyer's market based on these numbers. Sold in the past 30 days was 50. Again, that still says that, hey, the market is relatively flat. If there were 50 contracts in the last 30 days and 50 solds, which really reflect the 30 days prior to that, that's pretty flat. Yet you're looking at 84 new homes on the market. So the average number of homes is rising. The average days on market are rising. The discount 1.7% on what's sold. So what's sold is being priced very well and into the market. But these two markets are very, very similar in terms of what they have to offer, how those inventories are building up, what the discounts are, and really what's going to be there for folks in the winter time. There's going to still be some choices. Again, there's only 3 things that a seller can do right now. They can reduce the price, they can hold and take it off the market, or they can try to rent it at a very reduced rent. And Jersey City has a lot more challenges than Hoboken when it comes to rents, because they have a lot more large rental buildings that are providing a lot of incentives, and there's just a lot of excess inventory. So if you're a seller right now, hey, this is going to be a time when you're really going to need an expert to help you guide you through it. And if you're a buyer right now or an investor right now, you definitely need to come and see me because I can help you cherry pick some real value out there. This is How's the Market?